Hello, future host. I am Armin from Philippines. I am 39 years old. I finished Bachelor of Science in Information Technology. I have work experience in Hong Kong for 4 years with one employer. I serve five members of the family, two adults and three kids, ages 10, 6, and 4. My main duties are to prepare and cook foods for the family, marketing like buying grocery stuffs and foods. I also help them with their school activities and homework. I also send and pick them up with their extra lessons like music and arts. And I also do household chores like cleaning, washing clothes, ironing, and other stuff. I also work in Dubai, United Arab Emirates for 6 years with one employer. Um, I serve four members of the family, two adults and two kids, ages 4 years old and 0 months old. My main duties is taking care of the kids and the infant, making sure they eat well and I bathe them, making sure they are neat and tidy. I also arrange fun activities with them, indoor and outdoor. I also play with them, making sure they are learning, and I also teach them with English lesson like acquiring basic literacy and numeracy. I can work in minimal supervision and I know how to prioritize my responsibilities. Looking forward to be part of your household and see you soon.